southern oscillation, or in short form it is known as SO. The difference in pressure over Tihati Pacific Ocean, that is 18 degree south and 149 degree west, and the Darwin in the northern Australia, that is in Indian Ocean, that is 12.5 degrees south and 131 degree east, is computed to predict the intensity of the monsoon. We have said that the changes in the low pressure and high pressure in both sea, according to that we are getting the influence of monsoon. So the those who are studying about this climate, or those who are predicting the monsoon season, what they are doing, they are making the difference in the pressure of the Pacific Ocean, that is in Tahiti, as well as in the Darwin area of the, that is in Indian Ocean, and Tahiti, that is in Pacific Ocean. They are making the computing that one the numbers, and they are predicting the monsoon intensity of the monsoon. If the pressure difference were negative, it would mean below average or late monsoon. When they are making the calculation, if they are getting negative, the difference if it is going negative, then what will happen? The monsoon will be coming very late, as well as we will get less average or just average rainfall only. The features connected with the SO in the El Nino phenomena, in which the warm ocean current that flows fast to the Peruvian coast in the place of the cold Peruvian current every 2 to 5 years. Normally Peruvian area, we want to get the cold water current, or ocean movement should be cold one, but in some years, means in between 2 to 5 years, we are getting one time it is warm water current. So that is affecting this south oscillation also. Then what is El Nino? El Nino, this is the name given to the periodic development of the warm ocean current along the coast of Peru as the temporary replacement of cold Peruvian current. I have said already, in the Peruvian side of the coastal area, surely the want to get the cold water current or the ocean current, but in between it is coming what warm current it is coming, and that current movement given the name as a El Nino. And when it is happening, that is happening in month of December. Okay, that is there in the textbook. El Nino is a Spanish word meaning the child, and refers to the baby Christ. And as this current starts flowing during Christmas, in the Christmas time, this change is happening usually. So the Spanish they started to call it what it is, El Nino, or what they was calling infant Jesus or baby Jesus, because it is related to Christmas. That's why the presence of the El Nino lead to an increase in the sea surface temperature and weakening the trade winds in the region. The winds are there each and every time according to the seasonality changing, and because of this warm water current, what will happen? The sea surface temperature it is increasing. So the pressure of the up above the sea it will decrease. So what is happening? The trend winds will be very slow, and it won't be that much faster, and it is becoming weakened, very slow movement of wind we can see. Okay, we will go back to the lesson again. The changes in the pressure condition are connected to El Nino. Hence, the phenomena is referred as ENSO. What it is? El Nino southern oscillation, because it is happening because of the El Nino. That name given, that is not we can't predict, that is the exact scientific word for that. It is happening in the month of December, and it is near to Christmas it is happening. That's why they given like that name. Then next one, it is the onset of the monsoon and the withdrawal. We have said in the starting of the lesson that when I introduced the lesson, we know in Indian monsoon we are having two types of monsoon. One is monsoon and advanced monsoon and retreating monsoon. Then how it is happening, that we are going to see. The monsoon, unlike the trades means the name of the wind, it is trade winds, are not steadily wind but are pulsating in nature, affected by the different atmospheric condition encountered by it and its way over the warm tropical sea. Then the monsoon, the trades, what is happening for monsoon wind? It is not steady winds. It is not at all steady. According to the natural conditions and climatical conditions, pressure of the above the sea and land, it will change. Then the duration of the monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid September. So the advanced monsoon, when we are feeling, how many days we are feeling? 100 to 120 days from June to mid of September. Around the time of its arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. When the starting of the monsoon, what will happen? And it is starting suddenly, as well as it will continue for a few days, 5 to 6 days or 1 week or 2 week time. Then and this is known as the burst of the monsoon. When it is monsoon starting, and we used to say like that when we was children or school going children, when the June 1st the school reopening day, that day usually it is starting the rainfall and it will continue for 2 weeks, and sometimes it is more than 2 weeks, and all the rivers and the small streams will be filled with water. It is very risky to pass through that the streams and rivers to go to school, and all students, those who are coming by walking or bus or any way, which any means of transportation, they will come as a wet children in the school because of the suddenly and continuous rainfall. And it is, that is not a small rainfall what we are getting here, it is small ones only, and that is like if you had one drop enough to fill one glass, that much big drop of water, like that we used to feel. Then and can be distinguished from the pre-monsoon showers. In Kerala or in the coastal area, we are getting the pre-monsoon showers also, especially in the month of April and May. That we can understand that is different, and this is monsoon already started. Because of its nature, we can understand that one. The monsoon arrives in the southern tip of Indian peninsula generally by first week of June. Subsequently, it proceeds into two, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. That is, it is there in the map. Again, it is given in the textbook. I will show that one. Again, I will explain some more. So, the monsoon wind, it is getting two branches. One is Arabian Sea branch, another one is Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai about 10 days later on approximately the 10th of June, and this is fairly rapid advance. Some days, usually we are saying like that after 10 days, but we can see sometime it is taking 15 days, 20 days like that, and it is reaching to Mumbai. Then next one, the Bay of Bengal branch also advances rapidly and arrives in Assam, and in the first week of June. In first week itself, it will reach to Assam area also. Which one? Bay of Bengal branch. And the lofty mountains causes the monsoon winds to deflect towards the west, because we know the Indian what we can say physical features of India, in that in the Assam area there are many mountains are there. Because of that one, the wind again it start to move to western side over the Ganga plain, and by mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of the monsoon arrives over Saurashtra and Kutch. Where it is coming the Gujarat area, it is reaching to Gujarat area. And the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon merge over the northwestern part of Ganga plain. Again, it is coming to Punjab, Haryana, then it is Gujarat, that area it is coming, and it is merging together. Delhi generally receives the monsoon showers from Bay of Bengal branch by end of June. This is tentative data, not actually date. It is coming mid of July or sometimes in August, that much only. But in textbook it is saying like that 29th June. It may be in olden days, it may be like that, but nowadays it is not like that. By the first week of July, western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and the eastern Rajasthan experience monsoon. When they are the east, Rajasthan, then Uttar Pradesh, that people when they are getting monsoon rain, that is in the first week of July. Then The mid of July, the monsoon reaches to the Himachal Pradesh and rest of the country. The top part of the country, it is getting by Himachal Pradesh, that area we are getting rainfall by mid of July. Okay, we'll stop here and we will continue in next video.